Oh hey, nice to see you guys again. Today we'll be prepping my BMW 335i for a cross-country trip between Texas in the United States, Houston area, to Southern California. That is about a 1,400 to 1,500 mile drive. Now, I did this drive exactly a month ago in my C63 AMG 507, which I made a video about. I think you guys actually seemed to like that video, did pretty well. And now we'll be doing the same exact drive with my 335i, which I've had now for 9 years. We'll be leaving in a few days, and there is one critical issue with the car. Not mechanical, thankfully, but you might be able to tell, but yeah, there's no interior. This car once had the pretty ugly tan/cream interior, and I wasn't really a fan of it since we got the car, but we were stuck with it until I found a parts car recently, about 3 months ago, that had a full black M Sport interior. It was an LCI 335i with a very nice condition leather interior. So I snagged almost every piece of it except for a couple things. So we're swapping out pretty much everything from the carpets, the dashboard, to the door cards, which are already installed, with the black interior bits. Stuff we're not doing on the headliner and the seats. Headliner because I don't have the material to do it, and the time because that is a bit more of an intensive job, but won't be too bad at a later date. And I don't have the seats because I want to get either buckets or some F80 M3 seats. So we'll see whatever I find first. But yeah, this took about, believe it or not, only a couple hours to get rid of all this stuff. I'd say 2.5 hours start to finish. You can strip this entire interior pretty easily if you kind of know what you're doing a little bit. So that's pretty cool, but we will need to put stuff back in to drive it across country, at least halfway across country. And we'll be doing the drive this time around with some friends, which will be even more fun than just doing it by myself, so that's cool. So, with that being said, I guess we should, put the interior back in, and I'll see you guys when we're ready to go on the trip. I will be making a more comprehensive video on my experience interior converting this car, so stay tuned for that on the channel. But for now, let's get to driving. It seems I've made a mess, but my goodness, this is gorgeous. I'm really happy that it's turned out. Gonna throw the seats back in, which of course are still tan, but we will get some black seats hopefully soon. Well, folks, fast forward a few days and the car is ready to go. I put my roof racks back on with my cargo rack. And just, wow, what a transformation. It looks so much better than before. I still have my beige rear seat backs, kind of funny looking with the seat belts, but it'll work for now. Needless to say, the car's been checked out and we're ready to go on this trip as soon as I'm off work in the morning. So, looking pretty good, very happy. Also, check this out, I made a custom boot screen for the Android last night. 255 text, and look at that. Not too shabby. All right, folks, it's about 2 a.m. Taking a break from work to go get some gas to get ready for a trip in a few hours. So let's get this thing gassed up. I think this counts as our first tank, and we have a little visitor. What's up, buddy? This thing is filthy, the paint is failing, and yeah, needs a respray soon, and this is new. Wow, nice. Yeah, the wrap on this car previously destroyed the paint, unfortunately, so yeah, fun stuff. From about over here, it looks a lot better. I have to say, it's a lot more obvious on camera, so it is not doing me any favors, but yep, car drives really well. Mechanically, it's pretty well sorted, but cosmetically, needs some help. Just got myself some road trip supplies, given there will be 3 of us in the car. Might as well be stocked up on water, right? So we're currently sitting at 120,900 miles. We should be adding about 1,500 to that, so good trip for this car. Never taken this car on a trip this long before, so we will see how it goes. Hopefully uneventful. I'm thinking with some highway cruising, we can probably squeeze about 400 miles out of the tank, which is pretty darn good. Compared to my C63, which is about 260, 270 miles a tank, which is just awful. Honestly, more like 300 miles, but I would stop every 270 to fill up. All right, it's what, like 5:45 or something? Something like that, yeah. We're about to get going. You know what it is? That's impressive. Driven about 350 miles, and now it's time for some barbecue. Good call, good call.
Yeah, good call, Alex. Good
It's
call.
looking good, yeah. Ha 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 ha. Adios. Ha ha. Good one, right? Ha 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 ha.
Oh, I'm gonna keep it. Oh, man. Oh, man.
It's so pretty out here, actually. Like, it's nice. Good work, Faustino. Good work.
All that bug spray out the windshield.
We're in.
97 degrees actually feels kind of good though.
It's not that bad. There's a little bit of breeze, you know.
Dry heat.
Yeah. Out in El Paso. Yeah, you know.
It looks transparent. I mean, it is transparent.
It's just more of a fence, really. But yeah. If you look across, you'll see some cool stuff in Juarez. Watch for unexpected pedestrians. That's reassuring, right?
289 though, 1997.
Hey, your brakes are kind of loud, Alex.
I think you need to change them.
You running track pads in the street or something? You think you're like that?
I can't even say anything.
I mean, for $10, that's pretty good.
No, agreed.
Sheesh. No way. X-Class? That's crazy. Well, you filthy animal. You ever find a random coffee shop in the middle of Tempe, Arizona at 10:30 p.m.? Damn. Good job, Alex. Good job, Alex. That was good fun.
Thank you.
We just stopped in Tempe, Arizona by ASU. Super cool area at this cool coffee shop. Open at 10:30 p.m. But yeah, it is 95 degrees and dark. It actually feels kind of nice.
I love it.
Humidity's low, right,
Basking
Faustino?
in the heat.
I know, that's not too bad. Not too bad, right, Alex?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, well, you know, back on the road we go. You know, you just can't get this kind of service anymore, you know?
Arigato gozaimasu.
Well, we're about, like, what, 2 hours from the shop, and I lost a trim piece, unfortunately. Damn, this thing's dirty.
Pain.
It's all right, though. What are you going to do? What are you going to do, Alex?
Yeah,
you know?
what are you gonna do?
What are you going to
It'll
do?
be right.
Well, we've returned to Southern California. We just picked up the SL, and now we're going to go back to the house. Yeah, been a good drive. 24 hours of travel, pretty much. Well, guys, that wraps up this very short but very fun video. Overall, this trip was great. The car did a really good job. I'm very proud of it for making the trip so smooth and seamless. Small little issues here and there I'll be dealing with in the next few months, but overall, the car did a great job, and I'm looking forward to putting some more miles on it in the coming months in California. Hopefully, some more track days in the future. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.